$200,000, $300,000, even $500,000. That's how much these creators are raking in every single month from TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and building a personal brand. But what's the one thing that all of these creators have in common? Minolee, Daniel Bitton, and Musa all make tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars from a Whop business. And in this video, I'm exposing exactly how they're turning their skills into cash with Whop and how you can too. Even if you've never sold a digital product, don't have an existing audience, and you don't want to show your face. And somewhere in this video, I'm dropping a bonus viral trick that will explode your Faceless views. Stick around so you don't miss it. So how do you actually set up a Whop business that actually makes money? You see, it all starts with your niche. You can literally monetize anything on Whop. Courses, consulting, and even tutorials. Minolee, for instance, teaches people how to go viral building a personal brand. And Musa is making hundreds of thousands teaching people how to clip content and post it on TikTok. And Daniel Bitton, he's cashing in, helping people make serious money with YouTube Shorts. So I know what you're thinking, Jonny, all of these creators have huge audiences and you don't, but that's fine. Because what's crazy is that even Faceless accounts are able to sell similar courses, but without the trust factor of a personal brand, they can't charge as much and they earn less. But still, if you're able to make even a small percentage of what these guys are bringing home, this can easily add up to thousands of dollars per month. Now, let me guide you through the process of building your Whop business, naming it, building your storefront, and creating your first digital product. And what's great is that you can literally do all of this from your phone. Lock in, baby. Let's maximize some shareholder value. First thing you want to do is download the Whop app and create an account. Then you need to name your Whop. Choose something that reflects your niche or the value you're offering and make sure to make it memorable. Now give it a headline. What's the outcome that customers will achieve when they join your Whop? For example, my Whop's in the side hustles niche, so that's what my headline's about. If you don't know what to put for any of these questions, you don't know what to choose for your niche, your name, your description, I've created a Google Doc which has all of the prompts for ChatGPT to help you brainstorm and basically create all of the written text to build out your Whop. So if you're stuck, don't worry, I got you. So my headline's going to be learn to make $1,000 before Christmas with social media. Click continue and Whop will start building out your store page. So once it's finished building the store page, this is what it's going to look like. This is the equivalent of a website or a landing page. Whop creates the template for you and then you can go in and customize it. So we got to add a short description. Again, we got a prompt for this. I'm just saying, learn how to use social media to make 1,000 before Christmas. 5x tried and tested methods that you can implement today. Press continue and then we scroll down and see what else we got to do. So next we have to add a little creator bio. So a little short bio telling people about yourself, why you're qualified to run the Whop, and why they should join. So this basically helps people understand who you are and why they should trust you. So I'm going to yap and say, my name's Jonny. I'm an ex-helicopter engineer that built an ecom brand to leave the military. Now I'm a 6-figure content creator inside of 5 methods on how I do it. Now the next customization is who is this for? You need to add a persona. If you're stuck with what to actually write in here, go and have a look at other Whops and what they're saying, and you can basically just copy those personas, or in the Google Doc, I have a list of examples. In this description, you want to create something that has a aha, that's me type moment. So I've kind of made one off the top of my head. You probably shouldn't do this. Side hustle seeker. Are you a normal folk with a normal job that just wants to make an extra 1K before Christmas? This kind of makes sense to me. You can add a few of these to target your ideal customers. Some better example from a community on here that's doing well: aspiring influencers, entrepreneurs, side hustlers, social media enthusiasts. So off the top of my head, I kind of got the same one as the side hustlers. Now let's set up payment. To do this, we need to go and click add plan and then add, and then here we have the choice to create a paid or free community and a single payment or a monthly subscription. For example, the monthly subscription, you could do like $29.99 a month, but for my community, I'm going to create this as a low ticket one-time offer. So we're going to hit single payment of $27 and then we're going to make the stock limited to 1,000 units and then click done, and that's your plan created. So that's the bare bones of our storefront done. So now we need to make our logo and our banner. To do this, we're going to use Canva, and I've created templates for you guys to use in the description. So in Canva, I'm going to make the banner first, and I'm just going to call this the $1,000 before Christmas club. So yeah, change this to before Christmas club, and then underneath I'm going to say who doesn't want to earn an extra 1K for Christmas, and then underneath that I'm going to say access my 5x tried and tested side hustle methods. Quickly just add who doesn't want, as it's a call to action there, so when people are reading it on the banner. And that's basically the banner done. So for the logo, I'm going to take my other logo, be super simple, then I'm going to export as PNG, then then we just got to airdrop it to our phone. So now we have the logo and a banner on our phone. I need to quickly change the logo to a square aspect ratio, and then we'll go and click upload that, scroll down and click save. Then we want to go to the top of our storefront and click upload media for the banner, select the photo you want as the banner and click save. Now our storefront is basically built. Scroll down, we've got at least got all the bare bones information there. It's time to go and add a product. But before we do that, here's the truth. You'll never make a dime if you don't take action. Real talk here. Anyone who's telling you that making money online is easy are capping. They're just trying to gain something from you. In a world full of noise and everyone telling you that their methods of making money online is the one that's going to give you financial freedom, the truth is that every one of those methods could probably work. But to know which one works best, you need to close your ears, stop listening to what they're saying, and watch what they're doing. What do their actions show versus what they're telling you to do? And right now, what are people doing? They're making an insane amount of money selling digital products, courses, and information. The creator economy is booming, and many of these businesses, as I found out while making this video, are built on Whop. And what I love about this is that this opportunity is open to literally everyone. The strategy that I share at the end is a Faceless page taking full advantage of the same model that big creators are doing. And building a Whop community is completely free to start, and I'm walking you through it step by step. So literally just click where I click, follow along with me, and by the end of the video, you'll have a fully built business ready to start earning. So don't let this opportunity pass. We've got 2 months left of the year. If you set some big January goals, there's still time to achieve them. It just requires you taking action. So let's finish building this Whop business. So to add application to your storefront, you click top left and click add app and add new app. And for this example, I'm going to add a course. Here, I'm going to be given the option to create a new course. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to add a course name. So I'm going to call my course name 5 Proven Side Hustles to Make $1,000 with Social Media. And then click continue. And then you want to give it a course tagline as well. So basically what this course is going to teach people. So this course will teach you 5 side hustles to make $1,000. And then describe a full description of what the course is going to entail. So I'm going to speed through this, and it's basically just going to be a rough summary of what the 5 things are going to learn. So for this example, it will be TikTok creator program, YouTube shorts, affiliate marketing, Instagram cash pages, and digital marketing. And then click next, and that's it. Your course has been created. Now it's time to go in and actually build the course lessons out. I'm going to do 1 module as an introduction, and then I'm going to do 5 modules, 1 module for each of the side hustles. So I'm obviously going to have to go and film the course content for this before I can launch it. However, I'm not going to show you guys doing all that in this video. But don't worry if you're thinking to yourself, you don't have any experience, you wouldn't even know what to create a course about, because I'll show you later on, you don't actually have to create your own products initially. Whop allows you to become an affiliate, but more on that later. Let's finish building this course and check out some of the other features inside Whop. So I'm going to put the name in for my final course and hit save. Side Hustle 5 is complete. Now let me go down and proofread everything, and if I'm happy with it, I'm going to go back to the home page, and that is our course setup done. So let's check out some of the applications and features inside Whop. Firstly, over $500 million have been spent on Whop this year, and they're trying to become the Amazon of digital products. How does this benefit you? On Whop, it's easy to add trust factors with verified reviews that are real and vetted by Whop, so they can't be faked. Plus, Whop offers guaranteed refunds for Whop verified purchases, so customers can feel safe buying. This level of social proof creates security, especially when you're running traffic to Whop from Faceless accounts. With the reviews and refund features, anyone checking out your business knows it's legit, giving them confidence to invest in what you're offering. Some of the new features that you can build on the mobile version is that it aggregates all your content within your apps to show the highest priority content. So unlike Discord, when you have a bunch of different communities, Whop actually will collect the most important updates from each one of your communities, and it'll actually show you that within the feed. Next, you've got discovery. All the products that are made on Whop have the ability to be discovered organically within the platform. And as every week, over 2 million people come to Whop Discovery, this adds huge potential for additional people to actually discover your products. And final things to mention is that Whop have their own payment processors, meaning that within the application, you can actually create checkout links like you can with Stripe invoices, and you can also manage your users, refunds, chargeback, etc., all entirely from your phone. I just want to take this moment and say thank you to Whop for reaching out and sponsoring this video and actually challenging me to create my own community on Whop. Now, I know you guys have been waiting extremely patiently for the entire method of how anyone can take advantage of this opportunity, even if they don't want to show your face. It's time for me to expose this this full faceless method. Okay, so this is it. You've heard about Instagram theme pages. This model is called cash pages. Basically, it's just faceless digital marketing. And the way they run it is pretty genius, to be fair. It's a super simple system. You create content that's engaging, and I'll show you how they do that, which is quite hilarious. And then you get people to comment a word. For example, I went through this guy's funnel, commented W, and then they've got a ManyChat automation, which basically will send you to, you guessed it, a digital product. And this example is a Whop community. So it's literally can be done by anyone. And let me show you the content, because obviously like anyone could kind of figure this out if you've done any sort of like social media stuff. This isn't any big breakthrough, but what is kind of hilarious is the content they're creating. So for you guys, example content 1.
Testing the maneuverability of all Porsche to see which one is the best. Porsche 930 Turbo. It's too old. 2023 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. Way too heavy. 2014 Porsche Panamera.
Skipping this video could possibly be the stupidest thing you will ever do, as I'm about to show you and give you the exact strategy to make an extra $5,000 a month with Instagram. And no, this isn't those oversaturated theme pages. It's called cash pages. And the best part is you can run these pages on complete autopilot using AI. If you want this strategy, just simply follow me and comment W, and I will DM.
So that is it. They use these baity hooks, which is like full brain rot social media. And everyone knows that it's brain rot social media and it's that a waste of your time. And so they basically allow you to just get involved in the storyline of this brain rot. Then they snap you out of it, and they do basically your call to action of, do you actually want to make a difference? Do you want to learn a way to make money? This is the new method. Comment a word, and then they put you through their funnel. And let me just show you another
Jump to
example.
paradise. Toyota Supra.
And then it's like, just does the same thing. And one final one. So this one's like 20 seconds.
Skipping this video could possibly be the stupidest thing you will ever do, as I'm about.
And as you can see, they use obviously the lifestyle, the wealth style content to basically paint their narrative. And the reason this works so well is because, one, it's so easy for the page to reproduce. You just go find what's currently going crazy viral in this brain rot niche. I'm going to drop you a bunch of example pages that you can grab this intro hook content from. And what they do is that they literally reuse the back end part of the clip. It's so easy to make the content. And when you look on this Instagram page, and there's a bunch of other pages doing this now, I've recognized it, they get so many comments. So let's just say they have like a 3% conversion rate. They're definitely getting like 30 to 50 sales per day, because they're getting thousands of views, and you can run this across multiple pages, and it's completely faceless. And I've gone above and beyond for you guys, where I've actually broken down their entire landing page system, just so you can get a little bit of an example of this. And because technically you're creating these cash pages, you could then make your course about creating the cash pages, and it's that like infinite content loop. If you're down to doing that, or you can be affiliates and everything like that. If you want to learn more about how to do this, it's in my free community. I'm going to break down a full masterclass on actually how to edit these videos as well. So that's it, guys. That is the faceless method exposed, how to funnel into the Whop community. And this isn't just like some hypothetical thing. People are doing this like right now live, and it's working really well. That's a wrap on the video, guys. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. We're dropping bangers over the next 8 weeks. Your boy's locking in. We're dropping 2 videos a week through November and December. I'll see you guys in the next one. Your boy's Gonskis. Peace.